The sneezes, they also remind you how sore you are going to be. I just wanted to get on here and say thank you to my sneezes for a lovely workout and reminding me how much my abs hate me right now because the pollen is coming down so much outside. After a workout and you sneeze, you will be so much reminded of all the quality time you put in to a workout and how much benefit you're going to see the next day. But the sneezes, they also remind you how sore you are going to be because it's going to be worse the next day. So drink water, work hard, and don't give up.